What's up, guys? My name is Phenomenal Josh, and today I'm gonna have a special guest, my father, to be in this video so we could build a PC strictly for gaming.
Hi guys, now let's get to this. I guess we'll start with this. This is the ROG Strix B450F Gaming. We just gotta take off these brackets right here since we need to put a different one on it. I feel like I'm in a competition. Okay, take these brackets, take this metal plate off. Since you're gonna put in a water pump, you have to put this special bracket in. Just put it right here so it lines up. I'm gonna put these risers. I'm gonna put this RAM, 3200 megahertz, 16 gigs of RAM, CL16s. I always try to put this first instead of inside the case because sometimes it makes it a bit complicated. To make sure it aligns properly. Make sure they clip. Make sure you put them in the right slot so it could be dual channel instead of single channel, so better performance. Okay, what we have here is a Corsair H500 case, 700 watt Thermaltake Smart. We have right here it's a Firecuda 1 terabyte. That's for the games. And in the back we have a 280 SSD by Adata SU800. Let's put the motherboard in. Make sure that everything aligns properly. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. Screw everything in. Make sure that you do. You don't want your motherboard to be flying. Don't put it too tight, you don't want to break it, you don't want to break the motherboard. I gotta put in the CPU. Ryzen 5 3600. Make sure when you put it in here that the arrows align, because you might break some of the pins and that's not a good idea. So the arrow, this arrow right here, this arrow right here, the lines right here with this arrow. Just make sure it like falls in. See? Should fall in. Nice and tight. And then you close it. Now the power connector. This power connector right here. This is the 8-pin. This is it powers the CPU. You just have to connect it here. If I actually could see something, because it's not a lot of light. Let me see. Thank you. Yeah, I need a bit of light. Let's make sure it fits. Power the motherboard. This is a 24-pin. Make sure you're connected properly. Okay, I still can't. There you go. It clips on. This is the mess. The mess that always happens. Okay. I'm just gonna connect SATA cable right here. It should go on the top port, which is port 1, to make sure that it aligns perfectly, which I think it should be like this. Okay.
Yeah, have to make sure it's clipped.
This is actually the hard drive that has Windows pre-installed already. And then the other one is this one. It's in between all the, let's see about this and this. Actually, look, nice up here. This is hard drive number 2. It should go the same way. Hopefully. We got that. Let's see what's next. Alright, so next is, this is the USB 3.0. So, let me see. Should go through here. Here, little rise right here, plastic rise should line up right here.
Alright, now.
Do the editing magic. Alright. Is it in? Because you could tell more than me. It's in, right?
Yeah, it's in.
Okay, so you gotta connect these wires. It's on and off. Switches, the reset buttons. I want to make them go to this bottom right here. That'll make it longer. Alright, this is the fun part. Okay. With some thermal paste. Thermal Grizzly.
I'm not gonna lie, this like looks really cool.
Yes, it does. You can tell in different colors. I told you it was.
I know, it's like really cool when you do that.
Yeah, let's see. Let's put this water block thingy. Oh. See if I get this screw. Put those fans. Just rod. It's getting there. It's getting there. Alright. So we're gonna put these. Arrow up. Also, you want to try to hide the cables as much as possible, so you're going to have to put it through here as well. One of the gaps that's here. That's one. I do the same thing with these. Okay. We got that. Connect this cable, which we didn't do before. Audio. Cover this mess. Let's see. RTX 2070 Super. This little card.
still like the design a lot. This back plate.
We gotta put it in. 3-slot card. Little monster. Give me some light. PowerLink. This I never messed with before. But I do know. This is the tricky part. These are fan stands. And fans. Fans to connect to another fan, to connect to another fan, to connect to another fan.
It's like endless.
And to another fan. And to another fan. This is where everything gets very complicated.
Oh, which one?
Everything. Everything now gets complicated. We're gonna have to do a test run on this.
Yeah.
Like right now. This back cover.
Well, at least we get to cover the messy cables.
A lot of the messy cables.
Yeah, this looks nice. This right here, I really like this. This looks nice. All right. Well, we're done building it. Well, he's done. But we're gonna test it out to see if it works. So let's see. Awesome.